Foxborough.
I know how he felt last year now.
Look at the smile.
Oh, I know. I was watching the game with you,
and
too.
It hurts to lose him at the last minute. Wow.
Because Tony goes, here comes Peyton. Ronnie goes, no, that defense, man, don't pick on him. But he picked on him at the wrong time. It looked like maybe his arm got hit a little bit, or the ball got tipped a little bit. You got the coach's clicker here with that interception.
Yeah, we'll show you what happened. Peyton said he had what he wanted. He's going to have Pierre Garçon here on a go route, and I think that's where he was going, taking a shot. But he also has Jacob Tamme one-on-one on a linebacker to get down the corner, maybe get close. And it really looks like it's going to set up nicely.
And this is the one wrinkle that you see in the Patriots. Normally they'll play a cover two, but James Sanders here, he's double-teaming the tight end, playing in a close little zone coverage.
And he's the guy that Peyton's reading to determine whether to go to Garçon on the go route or Jacob Tamme on the sideline. But the pressure, and right in here, he can't get his feet set.
Cunningham.
Yeah.
Jermaine Cunningham just gets a little pressure, bumps him, forces the bad throw. Sanders makes the game winner. And this is the one time New England needed a stop, and they got it in the second
because
half.
the last 4 years, they haven't been able to stop. We saw the game last year. But for this defense to come up with the most critical play in the game, it gives them a lot of confidence.
And you know what? Bill Belichick punted this year and relied on his defense, and they came through for him.
But you're watching that, and I said, why not settle for the field goal? And you said, it's not in Peyton's DNA.
No, they were going for the win. He thinks he had it. He'll be thinking about this throw for a long, long time.
Sunday Night Football coming up. The Hyundai kickoff continues right now. We head back to Philadelphia. Bob Costas more on Michael Vick. Bob.